Chefchaouen, known as the Blue Pearl of Morocco because of its fantastic blue houses and streets. Jewish immigrants painted the houses blue, and people have been guessing for years as to why. It is this mystery that gives the city its charm and makes it a long-standing popular tourist destination. Spend a day or two enjoying all the best things to do in Chefchaouen, and 3 days or more if you want to enjoy the stunning nature of the surrounding Rif Mountains. The number one reason to visit Chefchaouen is for its beautiful streets, filled with houses painted a variety of blues. There are many theories as to why the walls are blue. Some say it's for practical reasons, such as keeping mosquitoes away or keeping the houses cooler. Others say that the blue represents sky and heaven, the colors of the Mediterranean Sea, or the nearby Ras Elma Waterfall. Now, locals continue to paint their houses blue, either in line with these traditions or to keep attracting tourists who visit Chefchaouen for its picture-perfect streets. Chefchaouen is much quieter and calmer than other cities in Morocco, so you can spend hours here calmly wandering the blue alleys and taking photos of cute porches and doorways in the sun. The blue houses of this city are easily the top thing to do in Chefchaouen. Visit the narrow blue, twisting streets of the Medina and its souks. The souks may not be as big as in other Moroccan cities like Fes, but it remains a popular shopping destination. This is because it offers many native handicrafts that are not available anywhere else in Morocco, such as wool garments, woven blankets, and woven baskets. In between the handicrafts, you'll often find pots of bright colored paint powders in a variety of pastel colors, which is a beautiful scene against the backdrop of blue walls. Goat's cheese is also popular with tourists and served with many dishes. Well worth a try and a tasty thing to do in Chefchaouen. In the main square sits the Kasbah, an old Moroccan fort. This building has served many purposes through the ages, most notably a prison, and now it is an ethnographic museum and art gallery. Inside there are also beautiful Spanish-style gardens, which provide a nice area of calm away from the city. Learn about the fascinating history of this area through the ancient artifacts, clothing, instruments, and traditional decorations and crafts on display. The fort tower can be climbed to discover beautiful views over the city. Many things happen around the hustle and bustle of the main square in Chefchaouen. Plaza Uta El Hammam, sitting in the center of the Medina. The square is surrounded by restaurants, shops, the Kasbah, and the Grand Mosque. The Grand Mosque is still used for religious worship, so it is not open for tourists. However, its unique octagonal minaret can be viewed from the square. Sit by the tree in the center of the cobbled square, and people watch for a break from sightseeing, a fun thing to do while in Chefchaouen. The Rif Mountains provide the perfect setting for beautiful nature and wildlife. We didn't leave the town ourselves, but we've heard good experiences from fellow travelers about these spots. Ras Elma Waterfall. This is a small but beautiful waterfall situated on the outskirts of the Medina, amongst pretty woodland. Sit and enjoy a mint tea here, dangle your feet in the cool mountain water, and watch locals wash their clothes here. It can be reached via the hiking trail that takes you up to the Spanish Mosque, so it is a nice thing to do in Chefchaouen if you have time to stop while passing by. If you like the video, do not skimp on us by liking and subscribing to the channel to receive all new things. Thanks and bye.